Kain! Lalaki ng isda, guys. Guys. Kaon. Kain. That's it. Very yummy, guys.
Whatever kind of fish this is, good. Got a lot of meat.
Maybe I buy again later for bring to the apartment.
Got a lot of.
Anong mahina? Diyos ko, naubos ko yung isang rice cooker na kanin. Grabe ako kumain Hello guys, kain guys. Naubos ko talaga ang isang rice cooker, lalo na pag masarap ang ulam. Saan to? Manang nimo, di na gulo. Kain! Takuloko is bad again. I don't like your takuloko. I'm eating takuloko. Sorry. Because I'm eating.
Yeah,
I don't like
You say bad things.
You always comment kadiri. I'm eating. Yun ang ayaw ko takuloko sa'yo kasi kumakain kasi ako takuloko. Ayaw ko kumakain ng mga ganong pagkain. Sorry takuloko ha. Nadirian kasi ako sa sinabi mo. Kailangan na kita i-hide. I hiding and then
You had the wrong one, huh? I said you said though.
I get first the moderator honey mic and then I hide again.
If somebody else said that, but he just repeated it. Why he did that for, I don't know. Bye-bye.
Maybe this is Shopee. I will try.